Hi friends, today's topic of discussion is from the chapter Polynomial Practice Set 3.1. In our earlier videos, we have uploaded question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this video, we will be covering question number 7. So let us see. Write polynomial in coefficient form. So to write the polynomial in coefficient form, first we have to write in the index form. So first let us understand what is index form and then the coefficient form. Index form, it means if in the polynomial, if you have missing terms, like for example here it is x cube minus 2. So here there are missing terms where you don't have x raised to 2 and x raised to 1. So you have to write those missing terms with coefficient as 0. Let's see. So first we have to write in the index form before writing it into the coefficient form. So index form, here we have to write x cube plus 0x square, because here x square term was not there. So we have written the x square term but with coefficient as 0. Then plus 0x, okay, because x term was missing, so we have written the x term by writing the coefficient as 0. So then minus 2, because here minus 2 means x raised to 0. So we have written the given polynomial in the index form. So before writing into index form, we have to see whether the given polynomial is in standard form, that is the decreasing order or the decreasing power of the variable. So here as we can see it is x raised to 3 and here it is x raised to 0. So the given polynomial was in standard form, that is the decreasing power of the variable. So with that we have arranged it into the index form by putting those terms which were missing, that is x square term was missing and x term was missing, but we have put the coefficient as 0. So with that now we can write the coefficient form. What is coefficient form? It is just writing of all the coefficient of the terms. So, but we have to write it in the bracket. So here it is 1, here it is 0, here it is 0 and here it is minus 2. So this is what is coefficient form. Just writing the coefficient of all the terms. And we have to take care that we are considering the sign also. Okay. Next, phi y. So phi y, first we have to write in the index form. Here, to write it in the index form, we have to see what is the missing term. As we can see, it is already y raised to 1. So the next term will be y raised to 0, that is the constant term. But the constant term is not written, so we will take it as 0. So we can write index form as phi y plus 0. The constant term was not written. Instead of that, we have taken as 0. Now we will write the coefficient form. So the coefficient form we can write as phi, that is the coefficient over here, and here we can take it as 0 because here it is 0, y raised to 0, but y raised to 0 we don't write, okay, because the value is 1. So we have to write the constant term, that is the coefficient. So it is phi comma 0. Now let us come for the third problem. So it is given 2m raised to 4, then minus 3m square plus 7. So it is in the decreasing order of the power of the variable. So first we have to write the index form before going for the coefficient form. So index form is what? Index form, we have to write the missing terms, okay? That is here m cube is missing, here m raised to 1 or m term is missing. So we will write that by putting the coefficient as 0. So we can write this as m raised to 4 plus 0 m cube minus 3m square plus 0 m plus 7. So all the missing term we have written by taking the coefficient as 0. So now we can write easily the coefficient form. Coefficient form, that is in the bracket 2, 0, minus 3, 0 and 7. So we have written all the coefficient of all the terms from this particular polynomial, which we have first written in the index form. So now, as we can see over here, this is only a constant, that is minus 2 by 3. So here it will be a variable, but that will be raised to 0, and we don't write it. Okay. So here, if we want to write this into the index form, the index form will also be the same, and coefficient form we have to write the coefficient, that is minus 2 by 3. Just since it is alone, so we'll give him a x raised to 0 just to show. So here it can be written as minus 2 by 3 x raised to 0. Okay. So index form we can write in this manner, or we can write minus 2 by 3 only. So just to show you, I have written minus 2 by 3 x raised to 0, but there is no need of writing this. So it is only minus 2 by 3. So in the index form it will be same, index form minus 2 by 3, because there is no other terms, only minus 2 by 3. Okay. And then the coefficient form will be in the bracket, we can write minus 2 by 3. So what we have done, first we have checked whether the given polynomial is in the standard form. If it is not, then we will arrange in the standard form. Then we have written it in the index form. Okay, that is the missing term we have written, and the coefficient we have put as 0. Then we have used the coefficient of all the terms, and we have written in the coefficient form. So hope you like the video. We will again meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.